Hello?
Please tell us who you are and what your position is at Cuisini Prime.
I'm Ivo Cuzzini, President and CEO of Cuisini Prime Edge, a global company specializing in cutting edges and sharpening solutions for the meat and food industry. The company is in the business of supplying cutting tools and sharpening solutions to the food industry, primarily the protein industry, beef, pork, poultry, butchering, and slaughtering operations on a global basis. Cuisini Prime Edge is a true American dream immigrant story. It originated when our grandfather, Giuseppe Cuzzini, immigrated from a small town in northern Italy to Chicago in 1905. The true dream from humble beginnings of a cart to what is now a global strength in cutting edges and sharpening solutions, maintaining its principles from the beginning through 4 generations. The business still maintains its core principles of service to the customers, whether it's somebody that's buying a blade, promoting that blade via their machine, or a direct user of cutting edges. We pride ourselves in supporting our customers. Cuisini Prime Edge product line consists of slicer blades, bowl cutter blades, skinner blades, slaughtering blades, portioning and dicer blades, grinder plates and knives, sharpening machines, the family of ergo steels, and also a series of blade reconditioning services. The 3-step Prime Edge sharpening philosophy is hollow grinding, edging, which is done with our specially designed spiral stones that we developed, and the polishing process of the edge. In the manufacturing processes of precision blades, while we always strive for new technologies and development of new custom equipment, we still maintain the involvement of skilled tradesmen. It's somewhat of a requirement that we blend the skill set of the workmanship of our people together with our modern equipment that employs automation and precision detail. But again, it's a combination of the two. The intricacies of a blade still mandate that we train people and that we maintain the skill of the human hand. There are many times that a cutting edge must be custom designed. We have to adapt to the product rather than the product adapt to our edges. So we work very, very close with our customers, hand in hand, in supporting them through their high volume needs. Cuisini Prime Edge is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, with numerous global locations, starting with Brazil. Our European headquarters is in France. Then we have facilities in Germany, Scandinavia, and Spain. We have many, many employees that have been working for the company for 30 or close to 40 years. And one aspect that we're very proud of is that the generation that has been working for us is now bringing in their next generation to work for us. The success of Cuisini Prime Edge has been a number of combined activities that it takes great pride in. Those being supplying extremely high quality products consistently, in combination with being able to support those items via services and customizing, if necessary, what we sell to the customer's needs, afford our customers consistency, increased yields, continued productivity, and success for them.